I'm always looking up for different websites that provide you great opportunity to earn money, and this one in particular today that I'm going to show you is going to give you a great opportunity to earn money online, and is going to pay you a great amount of money for doing absolutely one of the easiest job, and it is worldwide available, so it doesn't matter in which part of the world you're living right now, because you can use this website in each different country. Now guys, you don't have to invest any money on this website in particular, and you don't have to purchase or buy anything. You just are going to earn the money because it's completely a free strategy, and also you are going to give you the opportunity to work by everywhere. You just have to get a strong internet connection. Now you just have to stick to the end of this video and listen carefully to everything that I'm going to explain. But before I do that, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me, because I always post different methods of earning money online. Now guys, let's jump over to more details about this strategy. What is it about, and what was that website that is going to pay us? So first, you will need to get over to google.com, and here you are going to search up for different best niche of books. It might be about different ones like computers and internet, weight loss, bodybuilding, cooking, making money online, pets, travel, relationships, or sports. Doesn't really matter. You can choose what you desire for, or what you might be passionate about, or what are mostly people interested for. I have decided about cooking, and after deciding about that, you will have to come back to Google and search for best cooking books, for example. Now, if you have decided for weight loss, then you can search up for best weight loss books, or best internet books, or best sport books. It depends on what niche you decided for. Now here you are going to be shown up some results of different books, and you will have to decide for the best one after looking at each of them. Now guys, let me explain to you something, that you won't have to read that book, and of course you don't have to buy it, because I promise you that you won't have to invest any money on this strategy, and also you don't have to purchase or buy anything. So just decide for what is the best book, in which you will consider it by the reviews that that book might have. I will decide for this one over here. Now let me tell you what you are going to do next. So the second step is getting over to the website that is going to help us or earning those money, which is called audible.com. Audible, it's basically a website provided from Amazon company, and as you know, Amazon is such a big company and trusted company. So guys, it means that Audible too, it's a trustworthy website. Audible is basically a website in which you are going to browse and find different audiobooks provided to you. Now let me explain to you something, that lately people are interested on listening to books rather than reading them by themselves. So they enjoy more when they listen to other people reading the book than doing by themselves. This is why Audible book has become so popular lately, and many people desire and also are willing to pay money to get most of the famous book, or the most of the books that they desire for, in having in audio version. So what you will need to do after you have decided for that book over here, you will have to search it up on Audible. So make sure that the book that you will decide for should be available on Audible. Most of the books that you are going to be shown up on Google are available on Audible, so that won't be a big problem. So my book, it's available over here, and this is what I'm going to use in order to earn money. So this book in particular, so make sure to search up, look for if the book is available on Audible. Now let's get to the next step. You're going to search up for Audible affiliates, and you're going to search up the Audible affiliates making money with Audible. So yes, you understood right. We are going to earn money with the Audible marketing strategy. and this is how you're going to do it in 3 easy steps. So first you are going to advertise. So you are going to promote Audible through Amazon Associates. Then you are going to drive traffic, drive visitors to Amazon using Audible links and banners. And you are going to make money when your visitors buy Audible products but also services on Amazon. Now guys, let's be more specific and clear. You are going to suggest the affiliate link which will be for the particular book. So it won't be for the old page, the old Audible website, but specifically for this book that I have decided, and the Audible is going to give me the affiliate link in which I will have to share it to the traffic source in order to earn those money. You are going to explain to people different things and different features that Audible provides to people. Like one of them is the 3 months of the free trial, 3-month trial for people in which they can sign up, because people of course desire more to sign up on a website which will give them a free trial rather than purchase that website or pay money. And you are going to earn money for doing that. So for Audible free trial digital membership, you're going to earn $5 per each person. And for Audible Gold digital membership, so in which people they have to pay some money, you are going to get $10 per person. Now guys, just click on become an affiliate and be part of the Audible affiliate marketing, in which you will have to create an Amazon account. If you have one, then of course you can use that one. Now as soon as you become part, you are going to grab that affiliate link and find the traffic source, in which of course I have decided to find time on this video to show you where you can find a traffic source. So the first one is homebarista.com, and this website is for those people who decided for cooking books. Here you are going to find people that are interested on cooking and they are passionate about it. So what you will need to do is just register, in which they will have to require you some information, and after providing them with that information, you will have to search up for different forums over here, and you are going to create posts in which you will have to explain to people that this book is amazing and it has a great things on it and people should listen to it and grab that affiliate link and get the chance of the 3-month trial, free trial. So be careful to mention all the good features that Audible offers to people. Now for those who are going to decide for different niche like bodybuilding or weight loss or technology, they are going to get the traffic source from findaforum.net. So here you are going to find different categories like computers and internet, weight loss, bodybuilding, make money online. So for sure you are going to find the source, the traffic source necessary for your niche that you have decided. Now as soon as you decide for and click on that category, you are going to create a post, and of course you will have to put the affiliate link for that book and explain to people the information that they will need in order to go over to Audible and get that audiobook and listen to it, and you are going to earn $5. Of course, if they make any purchase, then you are going to get $10 per client, guys. Now thank you so much for listening to me. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.